Hello guys, it's a beautiful day in the heart of La Beach Road. In between Jokers and Malcolm, we have one of our subscribers who doubles to be a farmer, going a step deeper into fish farming by having this particular restaurant. This restaurant is a Catfish Grill, and I am going in there because today happens to be the very first time it's going to be made available to the public to try and get to learn something from him. So join me as we learn a thing or two about fish farming. Hello sir.
Hello sir, how are you doing?
I'm good. So today we are in your Catfish Grill.
Yes, indeed. Welcome.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Nyanyo Tetetayua. I'm an architect by trade, but catfish is also my hobby, and I'm very passionate about. So it's one of my ventures I'm doing here in Ghana, and you're welcome.
Okay. So how did you get into fish farming, and how did you get even into this thing you are doing now?
Yeah. I got into fish farming last year, May. That was my first. I did a farm in my yard, my garden at home, and it went quite well. And obviously, as things progressed naturally, we were thinking of trying to sell our own fish. I mean, grilled outside. So lo and behold, we found this spot, and then we decided to venture into catfish grilling.
Okay, so I can see this place is a busy road. And
yes, indeed it is.
we are really going to. I think you should expect a lot of influx of people in this particular place.
We are really banking on that.
No,
we are really banking on
so this place is La Beach Road.
Yeah, it is La Beach Road.
Okay.
So that means that way towards La Pleasure Beach, Tema, Teshin, and this goes to Mokala and also that way.
Okay. Okay. So I can see that your people are doing a lot of things over here.
Yes, they are.
For anybody, because I am here to actually try what you are doing.
Yeah.
And so for anybody who wants to be here and taste any of the things that you have, what are you trying to do for us?
We have catfish, obviously, in different sizes, grilled to your choice. Different types of sauces, hot, mild, and vegetables abound to your choice.
So why the name Royal Catfish?
It's actually an epiphany. It just came to my head. It's royal, but I'm saying like, okay, we are all royals here in Ghana, so why not call it royal?
So I know there are lots of people doing different things when it comes to catfish. Can you walk us through your menu?
Okay, we are doing catfish in different sizes, in 3 sizes, and followed by catfish fillets. So we just cut the fillets off from both sides of fish, butter it with different types of flours and things, and then we just fry it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, you can have different sizes and sides added to it, and then we'll be doing catfish with okra stew. That will come with its own size. Like we have 3 or 4 sizes added to that.
All right.
And that's basically our menu for now.
Okay, I can't wait to try these recipes, because when I came here, you told me the chef you have over here are, what time did you use for them?
They are top notch.
They are grillers.
Yeah, they are grillers.
And so, for any of you guys who is watching us, I would like to introduce you guys. You can stop by and come and try any of these things that he's talking about, and you can share your response with me, because I'm going to share mine with you in today's episode. Okay, so looking at what you have over here, right, I can see that he's foiling some of your fish.
Yes.
He's adding a lot of the vegetables, and the vegetables are quite a lot.
Yeah.
And that is what we are looking out for.
Exactly.
You go to a place to buy fish, and then you have just a little bit of the vegetables and all of that. So this is actually good enough for us, because you're not just getting your protein, but you get your vitamins.
Exactly.
And you said you have banku as well.
So we do the banku, we do eba.
So
with a little bit of a twist. That's a secret you'll find out later.
That's the twist.
Yes. And we do the fried yam and the sweet potatoes for now.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So and what are you giving me today? What am I trying today?
Today you can have anything you want.
All right. So
be my guest.
Let's see what I'll try today.
Okay.
And I'll give you guys the feedback.
All right.
So in putting all of these things together, what has been some of the challenges you may have faced?
That's a very good question. Putting this together has been a hell of a work. Yeah. So obviously, it's the workmanship. I mean, the artisans, they are good, but you know how things go up in
being very professional
yeah.
about how they do their things.
Yes.
Okay.
So timing and things. I'm a Ghanaian, so I have to say what it is. Timekeeping.
But you said you are an architect.
Yes.
But I know that you being an architect didn't even start in Ghana.
Yeah.
So you were based where?
Yeah, I was based in UK.
And then now you've come down
Yeah,
here.
I've been in UK for a number of years.
And this is what you're doing now?
Yes.
Charlie.
I mean, it's my passion, so that's obviously I want to do. And that's what I'm doing.
Okay, so do you have any final words to encourage anyone who is watching you today?
My final words are, everyone is welcome to come to our joints here in La Beach Road, number 132 La Beach Road, between the former Jokers, now Rave, and the Malcolm.
All right.
So that's where we're based.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you
I'll
very
try
much.
your food.
Yeah, thank you. You're
food.
welcome. We'll do that.
So this is catfish from Royal Catfish Point and Grill, and it smells so nice. And then they have some chips as well. The chips is very nice. This is so good. Oh my god. And I would like you guys to come here and try this catfish as well. You know, I've tried a lot of catfish and I will tell you that this is so nice. Also, there is Bankum over here. So I'll catch you same time next week. Bye.